So ayun mga bongga, meron tayong ultimate challenge today. Ito yung iririban natin. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Look at the hair. Kakaiba, pino, makapal. So pang foreigner talaga yung kulot niya guys. Kakaiba talaga siya. So this is my ultimate challenge. At binabada natin siya ng rebonding cream for 1 hour and a half. So ito na yung after ng Brazilian na na-blower natin. So hindi pa to na-plancha guys. So tingnan mo yung result. Panalo na rin siya guys. Diba? So this is the final result. Look at the hair. Very healthy na siya. Very bouncy, very healthy hair, very shiny hair, very bouncy. Look at that. So, nadalaga na talaga si Ining. So, 13 years old to siya, guys. First time na ribbon, and first time ko rin na encounter na ganong ribbon for a whole time. Guys, natagal ko na sa salon, guys. 1 dekada at 2 taon. Pero, ngayon ko lang talaga na-encounter na ganong kakulot. Nakakaloka. Look at the shiny hair and the bouncy hair ni Ining. So, mag-graduate siya this March 2026. So, pinariban siya ng parents niya para mas boga naman siya pag umakyat sa stage. So, ginawa ko siya, in-applyan ko siya ng 12 p.m. ng rebonding cream and then natapos ko siya ng 7 p.m. Look at that. So, binuhos ko talaga yung lakas, yung lahat talaga na power ko na nilagay ko na talaga dyan, guys, para maging magic ang result. And look at that. Very shiny. So, worth it talaga to, guys. Ayan, pipicturean ko siya ng mama niya dahil isi-send sa father niya dahil seaman pala yung father ni Ining. So, panalo, worth it. Thank you, God. At tatapos ka ng bonggang-bongga. Yun lang. Bye.